Africa. Today I am going on my reporting. Hello, what's your name?
I'm called Dan.
Hello, Dan. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you think about the football? Which team do you fan of?
And it's Göztepeli.
Thank you very much, Dan. Thank you. Love from Africa. Göztepe, 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 Göztepe. Thank you, Dan.
And the report. This was...
I'm going on my reporting again. Thank you.
Vardır from Africa. I'm speaking with the greatest girl in Africa, Rebecca.
Yes.
Yes, Rebecca. Which team do you support now?
Yes, I'm supporting Göztepe.
Göztepe. Yes.
Göztepe!
All the way, finals. Yes.
Göztepe! Göztepe!
Hello, I'm Barış from the Soldier of the Nile. My reporting is going on now. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Kenneth.
Okay, thank you. What do you think? What is the best team in the world?
My best friend is Göztepeli.
Göztepe.
Göztepe!
Göztepe. Okay, reporting is going on. I'm Barış from Soldier of the Nile.